So I've used Siri on my iPhone a lot, but I didn't realize that we had the capability to use it on our computers. So let me just show you how to set it up and what kinds of things Siri can do. So first of all, you will need to set up in your system preferences. You'll want to double check. If you go into the Security and Privacy tab, you'll want to check that Siri is engaged. So if you go into Privacy, you will see this, and I did mine earlier, so it's right here, Siri and dictation. But if you click on the lock, if you need to have that show up, your username is Eddie, and the password, like for all your updates, is Go Eagles. And that will unlock that, and you can click it. You're good to go. Click the lock again. That works. Now, if when you engage Siri and you want to, I changed her voice. You can change it to whatever you want of these options here, but if you're looking for it, that's where it is. All right, to launch Siri, you have a couple options. It may show up in your dock down here. You could use the command and the spacebar key at the same time. Those two keys are right at the bottom of your keyboard, but if you hit command and spacebar at the same time, they'll show up. Or otherwise, she shows up as an icon here. Siri, what was the score of the Twins game last evening?
The Twins narrowly defeated the Indians by a score of 8-6 yesterday.
Wow. So she shows up there. Maybe this is something I want to keep. I can just hit the plus and Siri will show up. Oh, she's coming. Sorry. And then it showed up on my today. So if I want to keep that, if I want to see the twin schedule, it can show up there because I didn't realize this little 3 bars with 3 dots, it's your little notifications. So I always know what the weather is, things like that. Besides that, Siri can do some other things. So I'm going to ask Siri, launch iTunes. And as you can see lower here, my iTunes has been launched, so you can use it that way. Another one I like, get rid of that. Siri, search the internet for pictures of the Eiffel Tower.
Here are some images of the Eiffel Tower I found on the web.
All right, so I could save those to my notifications, but what I like about this is I like this picture. I can click and I can drag it. You should be able to. Let me try again. Yeah, there it went. So I could drag that into a project. So if you have a kid who wants to search that way, it would work. A few other things you could do. Siri, what's the current temperature?
It's currently 62 degrees.
And I could add that if I wanted to see the forecast, all those kinds of things. And the other one is, Siri, please make my screen brighter.
It's a little brighter now.
And see, and I could work it however I want, which is really kind of cool. All right, so those are some of the things that Siri can do for you. I'm sure if you have Alexa at home or Google Home, you've played with some of these. It's quite fun, but just thought I'd let you know it was there. Thanks for watching.